Welcome back to Digital Dropshipping Mastery. Inside of this video right now, we're going to go through exactly how to choose a winning niche. So let's get started. So choosing the right niche for your own digital dropshipping brand is done through a simple 5-step process, and we're going to do it together right now. So contrary to typical business recommendations, we're going to actually start off by identifying your existing experience. So what I want you to do right now is go ahead and list out 5 activities that you are already experienced in or have some type of passion for. And this can be literally anything. I don't even care if it's fishing, setting up buildings, I don't know. Literally anything. So get a notepad out or your phone and list out 5 things right now that you are already experienced in or have passion in. And now that you've done that, my examples that I put right here are 1, making art, 2, running long distances, 3, trading stocks, 4, meditating, and 5, editing content. Now, these are just examples. I can't say that I like to run long distances, but you should now have a list similar to this with your own activities that you are experienced in or have a passion in. And if you're like, Tanner, I don't have any passions, I don't have anything I'm interested in that I could put on here. Okay, then just list out 5 random things or you can copy mine. Now, after you have your